Hey there, and welcome back to our weekly live premieres on our tip of the week to keep it cheap videos. And uh, yeah, we do this every Wednesday live at 4:30 Eastern Time. Every week we're here. If you missed the premiere, that's okay. Still watch, comment. It's always great to still see conversations go. I love that. And in this week's topic, I picked something that you would think might be like, oh, duh, common sense, huh? But not always. I've seen a lot of gardeners just give up on plants just a little bit too soon. And to me, it's not just a waste of money, but it's also a waste of time. You put a lot of time, you put a lot of energy into that plant or those plants, and you end up getting absolutely nothing out of it when you totally could, and just for a little bit more time, and it would have been so much better than totally restarting, and you'd be above, where you were before if you had just thrown it away and got rid of it completely. So that's something that I want to talk about, and I've done this with a lot of plants myself. One of which is these are yellow um, straight neck squashes. I actually have some before and after pictures. They looked very, very dead. I will put those pictures before and after. Yeah, they looked very, very dead. But there were actually three. One didn't make it, but these two are doing absolutely fantastic. They're actually about to get planted as soon as I can get this squash planter built. Um, Another one I had done are these zucchinis. I didn't get a before picture, but they were pretty bad. And they came back, so a couple of these will get planted in that as well. And we also did it with a jalapeno plant that we have. We thought that one was over. The whole top of it came off. There was nothing but stem. Don't rip it out. And I'll actually show you what happened with that guy right now. Let's go look at that. Okay, so this is actually our pepper plant right here, our jalapeno. You can see right here where the top snapped right off. It just broke. So we just let this, was a sucker right here, we just let this grow, and it grew into a new leader. It actually has some little buds on the top we're real excited about. And we just, instead of giving up and saying, no, it's over, there's no top to the plant, it's just a stem, we just let it go and it grew. It's just great to just save your plants. So, as you can see, saving your plants is definitely the way to go. Even if they look dead, they might not be. Just give them a chance, a little extra time, a little bit of extra attention. Be careful not to overwater too fast if watering is an issue, or over-fertilize. You don't want to burn the roots. You just want to be gentle and bring them back as carefully as possible. Trying to use organic fertilizers, worm castings are great. They will bounce them right back. I actually have my worm bin for that, so that works out quite well. But either way, it's not just about saving money per se, because you're really mostly, in this case, saving your time. And sometimes your time is much more valuable than any money you could spend. So I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that button. Don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any of our further uploads. And we'll see you next time.